Shall we read another story? I love story time, don't you? Right, here we go. Oh, we've read quite a few of them now. Let's see. Oh, this one is all about lions. About a lion family. And it's called A Roaring Success. Roar with me. 1, 2, 3. Roar! A roaring success. Yeah. Len and Laura Lion were very proud parents. They were the mummy and daddy. They called their first cub, their first baby, Leo. The baby lion called a cub, and showed him off to all their friends. We had a new baby called Leo. He's going to take after his old dad, said Len, puffing out his chest very proud. Oh, I'm the very proud dad. He'll be the raciest runner and the most powerful pouncer in the pride. And he'll probably have my magnificent mane too. On a lion, the mane is a huge head of hair. Wow, just. Leo was soon trotting around after his father and mother. He was fine at running and pouncing, but he wasn't really outstanding. Are you trying, son? Asked Len, when Leo trailed in after a practice run. The other cub were miles ahead. What's the trouble? Thorn in the paw? Sniffles in the nose? You can tell me. I'm fine, Dad. And he was. He just wasn't the racing, pouncing champion Len had hoped for. Leave the boy alone, said Laura, his mum. He's a great cub, and his mane is starting to grow. Who knows? You can see here, look. His mane, his head of hair is starting to grow. So his mum is proud of him just the way he is, but his dad wants him to be the super fast runner and pouncer and amazing baby lion. Well, Leo's mane was perfectly okay, but it wasn't amazing. Len stopped being so boastful. Oh dear, his dad wasn't so proud anymore. Then, one day, when the other lions were out hunting, a pack of hyenas came sniffing around the clump of grass where the baby cub and bigger young lion like Leo were resting. At once, the nearly grown-up lions sprang to their feet, pouncing and snarling, going, Go away, hyenas! You're not welcome here. This is our home. The hyenas took no notice. They didn't care. They had spotted a plump little cub, a nice, yummy, fleshy little cub, in the grass. Oh no! Closer and closer they came, until some of the young lions let out roars to frighten them away. They had never had to use their roars before. It did no good. Then suddenly, roar! You see, it's a gigantic roar. It was Leo. Leo had done that magnificent loud roar. The whole savannah shook at the sound, going, Wah! The whole area shook. The hyenas ran off, and the grown-up lion came running back as they heard the noise. Everyone agreed a roar like that had never been heard before. Leo was a star at last, and then his dad, he's a very happy lion indeed. As can you see here, the hyenas had come to take the baby cub, and Len had just made out a magnificent roar to protect the baby cub. And then his daddy was very happy. So sometimes you just take practice to do things, and you never know what you might be good at. Oh yeah, that is a great story, isn't it? Can you do a big roar like that? Well, love you. Sleep well. Night night.